You guys get you focused.
Okay.
That was beginner's luck. Seems hard to believe that only a year has passed since we spouted poetry round this table last. And here I sit, all broken-hearted, because until this week my poem had not started. The invite for this night arrived last September. A bit premature, but we all must remember, our host, not our hostess, has this Burns night obsessed. But before I digress, a toast to the laddies, our wondrous men. Lassies, where'er we begin. First, we give them all credit for selecting their wives, the most fortunate and remarkable choice of their lives. And through each day and night of the year, we're safe and sound, as our men have no fear. They set up tents in the dark at obscure state-run parks. In the rain. Yes. Protect their families from bears while expanding their collection of camping cookware. Rest assured that your lassies who sit here in plaid feel oh so lucky and loved and not the least bit sad. We adore our laddies and we're not afraid to admit it. Our men wear skirts and we don't care what they did it! Laddies!
Break some glass down there.
I know.